In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove blank pages from a PDF. Whether you've scanned a large document or combined several files into one, it's really common to end up with a bunch of empty or nearly empty pages. Manually hunting them down can be slow and frustrating, especially in long PDFs. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a clear, simple way to get rid of those blank pages so your document is clean, professional, and easier to share or print. First, open your PDF using a PDF editor or viewer that supports page thumbnails and basic editing. Popular options include tools like Adobe Acrobat, many browser-based PDF editors, or built-in viewers on your computer. Once your file is open, look for a panel or sidebar that shows miniature previews of each page. This is usually called the Thumbnails or Pages panel, and it's where we'll quickly spot which pages are blank. Next, scroll through the thumbnails and visually scan for pages that look empty or mostly white. In many editors, blank pages stand out because they don't have text blocks or images. When you find one, click on that page thumbnail to select it. If your tool allows multi-select, you can hold down the appropriate key on your keyboard to select several blank pages at once. This speeds up the process when you have many empty pages scattered throughout the document. After selecting the blank pages, look for an option labeled Delete, Remove, or Trash near the Thumbnails panel or in the toolbar. Click that option, and your selected pages will be removed from the PDF. Most editors will prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete those pages, which is a good safeguard against accidentally removing something important. Take a quick second to double-check that only blank pages are selected before confirming. Once the pages are deleted, scroll through your document again to make sure everything looks right. Pay special attention to areas where you removed pages, just to confirm that the remaining content still flows logically and no sections are missing. When you're satisfied, save the cleaned-up PDF under a new file name, so you always have the original as a backup if you need to go back. That's all it takes to quickly remove blank pages from a PDF. With this simple approach, you can tidy up your documents in just a few minutes and avoid wasting ink, paper, or your reader's time.